We have a department as well as a team here at Glendale Manufacturing that really helps each other out when they're in need of information. We have a lot of team members that teach each other on the machines, and that's really what makes Glendale Manufacturing one of the best spots to learn when you don't have a professional experience with manufacturing.
One of the reasons I came here because U-Haul's been around for a while and I needed some job security. And once I got here, the environment was really friendly. They take your time with you. They show you exactly what you need to learn and how to do it.
There's opportunity for growth here, or supervisor or engineering. There's the U-Haul University School online where they help you out for growth.
One of the reasons I like working for U-Haul is the people. Everybody here, from corporate tech center all the way to our facility here at Glendale Manufacturing. People are very helpful, people are very understanding, and people just want to get the job done and do it right for the organization.
I've been working here for 6 months and I have learned a lot. I feel like U-Haul, you always move up. You always start from the bottom, but you're always gonna go higher and higher and higher.
The managers so far have been great with me. They work with me if I have any questions or they need something to help them out, they help me out. So we help each other out here.
We're looking for people that want to be here, people that want to work in the facility, want to do a good job, and just want to continue to work in their profession. If they're not in that profession, that's okay, we can teach you. You can come on board and we'll teach you the profession. We'll teach you how to weld, we'll teach you how to run a laser, we'll teach you how to run a press brake. If you are willing to come in and dedicate your time to this organization, the organization will dedicate its time to you and train you.
The benefits are great, the people are great. We believe in the people. We take care of our people. We want everybody to be successful.